This is the Vehicle OCD from Salix Organizers for the 2010 and newer Toyota Sienna minivan. And in this kit you get the three pieces shown, and it's very simple assembly. Take the main centerpiece, and what you'll notice is there's two different heights here, and then there's two different height pieces. So the short piece will go in the front. Just put those together and lock them down. The taller piece goes in the back, same thing, put it together, lock it down. Now you've got an assembly, and you can take that assembly to the car and install it in the center console. We'll do that next. Now we're in the Toyota Sienna ready to install the organizer. It's pretty simple. Just take the organizer and use the small end under the cup holders. So just put the nose down, and as you go under the cup holders, tilt it forward, and as you get to the bottom, just push down on it and it falls into place. Once you get to the bottom, give it a little bit of a push so it tightens the fit up on the tapers on the inside of the console. Now you're fully installed and ready to put your stuff back in. These organizers are available on Amazon.com. Do a search on Salix Organizers, S-A-L-E-X, and you'll find this one and organizers for many other cars, trucks, and SUVs.